Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best portable air conditioner on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information, you can check out the links in the description below. Our list at number 1. BLACK+DECKER 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner with Remote Control. Quiet and powerful, our 4000 BTU compact air conditioner will keep you cool and comfortable all summer. An adjustable fan speed cools the air to 65 degrees Fahrenheit at the coolest setting. Sleep mode makes it extra quiet while you rest. Perfect for small rooms, this floor-standing portable AC unit provides steady, fast, effective cooling for rooms up to 150 square feet. It's the ideal small air conditioner for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms, or living rooms. Simple and quick to install, just wheel this portable air conditioner into any room with a double hung or sliding window. Attach the included hose and window adapter and plug it into an outlet. At the end of the season, just unhook and store. Top-mounted control panel with LED display. Easy to use and clean, the simple remote control and top-mounted LED display with a 24-hour timer to allow you to precisely control the air temperature. To clean the filter, just slide it out twice a month, rinse it thoroughly under running water, and put it back. 3-in-1 functionality combines 3 energy-efficient functions for all of your cooling and ventilation needs with cool, fan, and dehumidifying modes all in one machine. Bucket-less, self-evaporating operation makes your living space cool, clean, and dry. Our list at number 2. Whynter Elite 12,000 BTU Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner, Dehumidifier, Fan. A key feature of this portable air conditioner is its compact size and dual hose system, which facilitates better space utilization and more efficient cooling. The Whynter portable air conditioner is the ideal solution for the warm spots in your home, office, server room, or other constrained area. Portable and easy to set up, this portable air conditioner offers cooling relief for any area where excess humidity and heat cannot be remedied by traditional air conditioning. The unit can be easily set up in almost any indoor location and is most commonly used in data closets, server rooms, bedrooms, classrooms, and garages or workshops. The Whynter portable air conditioner provides 12,000 BTU cooling output while maintaining a compact and portable profile. The dehumidifier mode allows you to extract 76 pints of excess moisture during a 24-hour period. Equipped with an intake and exhaust hose, this system allows for more air intake, cooling power, and constant air pressure, which results in a faster cooling rate compared to single hose units. Save energy and money by setting the unit to run only when you need it. Using the 24-hour programmable timer, the ARC 122DS can efficiently cool your space before you even get there. The timer allows you to set the unit to cycle on automatically, or once it is on, you can set it to automatically turn off. Equipped with a remote control that can easily control the speed, temperature, and dehumidifier settings even from a distance, the Whynter ARC 122DS also comes with rolling casters that will allow you to move the portable air conditioner room to room. Its programmable features, operating modes, and adaptable design make this unit the perfect option for keeping rooms up to 400 square feet cool and comfortable. Our list at number 3. LG Smart Portable Air Conditioner. This portable air conditioner is the smart choice for versatile cooling. Cool your home from anywhere using LG Think technology to control your air conditioner with your phone, or use Amazon Alexa and Hey Google to have control with the sound of your voice. This quiet unit is ideal for cooling medium rooms up to 350 sq.ft. The unit has 2 cooling and fan speeds and a 24-hour timer to create a cooling schedule. The auto swing air vent helps direct the flow of air where it's needed most, whether cooling, dehumidifying, or just circulating air. If there is a power outage, the auto restart feature will automatically turn your unit back on when power is restored. Easy rolling casters allow you to efficiently move the unit to another location. Other features include an LCD remote control, easy window venting installation kit, removable washable filter, and a check filter alert. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos. Thank you for watching the video.